Hey, welcome back to the Quiz Juice. In this video, I'll challenge you to guess the snack or candy brand from its logo. Can you guess them all before time runs out? Let's find out. Before we start, if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. We've got new quizzes dropping every single day. Can you guess in 5 seconds? Pringles. What brand is this? Snickers. Guess the logo. Haribo. Seen it in commercials? Doritos. Does this look familiar? Kit Kat. Think you've seen it before? Lay's. What brand is this? Mars. What logo is that? Reese's. Everyone knows this one. M&M's. Which brand is hiding here? Nestle. Seen this logo before? Sour Patch Kids. What logo is this? Takis. What brand is this? Chupa Chups. Piece of cake. Tic Tac. Do you recognize it? Frito-Lay. What's the name behind this logo? Ritz. You've seen this before, right? Moon Pie. What brand is this? Sweet Tarts. Does this look familiar? Barcel. What's the name behind this logo? Maltesers. Do you recognize it? Double Bubble. Is this a famous one? Nerds. Does this look familiar? Little Debbie. Any ideas? Hostess. The last one. Krispy Kreme. How many did you guess correctly? Drop your score in the comments. I'd love to see. If you enjoyed the challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quizzes every day. See you in the next one.